ExpressCard 3000. Now that you've installed ExpressCard 3000, your next step is loading your consumables. This includes the cardstock, printer cartridge, rear indent cartridge, and tipper foil roll. To begin, make sure the top access door is open by using the key and lifting up on the handles. Locate the accessories kit box and remove the cardstock from the packaging. You are now ready to load your cardstock. Locate the 7 cardstock hoppers inside the device on the right side. On the touch screen, navigate to Menu. Then Maintenance to open the Maintenance menu page. Press the Remove Hoppers button to move the hopper transport out of the way. Press down on the hopper release button, labeled with a yellow arrow near the bottom of the hopper. Gently push the hopper toward the right side of the device all the way to its release position and remove it. Repeat the procedure for any other hoppers you want to load. Turn the hopper around so its clear loading door is facing you. Find the gray door release lever at the top of the door, slide it to the right to unlock the door, and pull the door toward you so it swings open. Locate the label on the hopper and orient the cardstock just like the label shows. Gather the cardstock you will be loading. Remove a stack of 100 or fewer cards from the packaging. Handle cards along the edges only. Oil or dirt from hands can cause poor quality prints. Load the stack of cards into the hopper and push the stack all the way to the back of the hopper. Place a card weight on top of the loaded cardstock. Close the hopper's door and make sure the door release lever clicks close. Reinsert the hopper into the EC3000. Be sure the hopper is level and that all 4 lock pins on the bottom are inserted into the hopper deck. Slide the hopper into the locked position, the direction indicated by the lock arrow on the handle, until you feel a click as it locks in place. Repeat the procedure for any other hoppers you want to load. Once you have completed reinserting the hoppers, go back to the touchscreen and navigate to Park Transport. Then press the Status button to return to the status page. Next, install the printer cartridge. Before opening the image printer, remove any jewelry or accessories that could touch the print head. Remove the ribbon cartridge from the packaging. Be sure not to touch the colored portion of the ribbon. Oil or dirt from hands can impair printing. On the touch screen, navigate to Menu, then Settings, then Printer. Find the image printer inside EC3000. Press down on the release section of the image printer's top cover. Gently lift the top cover up until it swings completely open and stays in position. Orient the ribbon cartridge with its handles facing up, pointing toward the cardstock hoppers. Lower the ribbon cartridge into place and make sure it is seated properly. Close the image printer cover and press it down until you feel it lock. On the touchscreen, press the button, Auto Detect, and Configure Ribbon. The EC3000 shows the ribbon auto detection pop-up window indicating that the ribbon was successfully detected and configured. Press OK. Press the Advanced button, then the Printing Preferences button to launch the MAGTEK EC Printing Preferences window. In the main area of the window, change the ribbon type setting to match the ribbon you are using. In this video, we are using YMCK-OK. Change the duplex type setting to match the ribbon and your application. In the pick list, the word before the slash indicates the color mode for the front of the card, and the word after the slash indicates the color mode for the back of the card. Select Duplex Color/Monochrome. Press the OK button to close the MAGTEK EC Printing Preferences window. Press the Status button to return to the status page. Your printer cartridge is successfully loaded. Next, load the rear indent cartridge. Locate the Accessories Kit box and open the new rear indent cartridge from its packaging. On the touchscreen, navigate to Menu, then Maintenance, and under Bottom Indent Cartridge, press the Unload Cartridge button. EC3000 moves the indent cartridge transport to the outside of the embosser. Orient the indent ribbon cartridge between the orange release button and the embosser. Press the cartridge firmly toward the floor until you feel a click. Return to the maintenance menu and press the Load Cartridge button. EC3000 loads the indent ribbon cartridge into the embosser and locks it in place. Press the Status button to return to the status page. Next, you'll install the tipper foil roll. Remove the new tipper foil roll from its packaging. Find the tipper foil cartridge on the inside front of EC3000. Press down on the orange release lever on the right side of the cartridge and gently pull it out. Notice the slots on the inside of the orange take-up roll will line up with the grooves on the outside of the assembly spool. To install the new tipper foil roll, place the orange core of the new roll on the orange spool, being careful to thread the foil under the 2 foil guide pins, and then thread the foil over the last pin. Pull the foil release tab out of the way and place the supply end of the roll on the spool. Press the foil release tab back in to secure the new roll. Rotate the orange core until the foil is tight across the guide pins. Reinstall the cartridge, carefully threading the foil under the tipper heater. Press firmly until you feel a click. If the tipper foil spool assembly does not click into place, rotate the orange spool a bit and try again. Your tipper foil is successfully loaded, and you may now close the EC3000 top access door. Congratulations, you've completed loading the consumables and now are ready to start processing cards. Check out the MAGTEK YouTube channel for more ExpressCard 3000 videos.